Hi YouTube, my name is Jay Brown. Welcome back to my channel. So I have for you guys today a review of the Brahmin Large Duxbury bag, and I will show you very briefly what's inside my bag. And then also hubby gave me my Mother's Day gift a day early. Today is Saturday, May 11th. So I just wanted to go ahead and share that with you guys really quickly. So let's go ahead and do this one first. So I was super excited to get my gift to get day early, but he does possibly have to work tomorrow. So yeah, he went ahead and gave it to me early. And I'm so excited to share this with y'all. This is, in some places, it's called the MCM Patricia card case, but on the tag, I think it may be called the Maya. I'm not entirely sure, but I'm gonna go ahead and get this wrapping off of there for y'all. But this is how it looks. So here is the front clasp, and I like how it looks like it's a snap closure, but it almost looks like you should be able to push those two together like you can on some of the Louis Vuitton pieces. But it has a front slip pocket there, and then three card slots right there in the front, a card slot on the back, as well as it has a center zip. So I'm so excited to have this. I'm going to be carrying this with that mini Berlin bag that I shared with you guys. I want to say either last weekend or the weekend before. But I'm definitely going to carry it with that, as well as with my medium Liz tote. So thank you so much, husband. I really appreciate it. I love it. I was definitely surprised, you guys. Okay, so now that we have gotten that out the way, you guys, onto this large Duxbury. This color is called Pink Cobra. I fell in love with this bag when I saw it on my girl Layla's channel, aka Just One SB. She's done a couple of videos on this bag. Now, you guys, I don't see Brahmins very often, if at all. I honestly don't recall ever seeing one in person. But when I saw this particular print in this color combination, I knew that I had to have it. It is a gorgeous bag. On the back slip pocket, or on the back, there's a slip pocket. I did not use it for my cell phone or anything. I actually just used it to hold the tags. I purchased this used, I purchased this new with tags from Mercari. But personally, just from examining the bag, I feel like the person kept the price tag on there and carried the bag. And what made me think that is because there are feet on this bag. And I don't know if the camera is going to pick up on it, but do you see that wear and tear on those feet? So unless this was like a display bag, there should not be wear and tear on a bag if it's brand new with tags. So luckily I did get a good deal for this bag. I did get it for like, I think $220, something like that. So I'm not really mad at it. The plastic was still on this little hang tag here, but I just didn't like that. And then I also noticed scratches on the hardware. It comes with the crossbody strap. I love the way these hooks open. You see that? It's like a little lobster claw. That is the cutest thing to me, but it opens up differently than most clasps. So I didn't think I was going to use this crossbody strap, and then I ended up using it most days. So I was, very glad that I kept it on the bag, because I have a very long walk from my car to my desk. So it came in handy, but I did very often carry it top handle as well. I just realized that was not showing, but I did very often carry it top handle as well. It is a great bag. I love that the zipper track is tonal in color. It's a beautiful shade of pink as well. And then the, what do you call this? The glazing on all of the handles, the sides of the bag, all of it is in that beautiful pink
Brahmin's
color. Attention to detail really is unmatched. The Large Duxbury does hold as much as a city tote for me, which I did not expect. I mean, duh, they call it the large, but you know, I don't know, because everybody's standard of large is not the same. You know, when Dooney says large, they mean extra large. Marc Jacobs, when they were saying small or mini, they really meant large as well. So I don't know, it just kind of varies from brand to brand and maker to maker. But this bag really does hold a great amount, and I love the color. Let me bring it up closer. One thing I did notice, most people who purchase these bags, they're always looking to have an eye on the bag. And if you notice, the front nor the back of my bag has that eye that most Brahmin lovers are looking for. So the eye of my bag is actually down here on the bottom. And I don't know if it makes a big difference for me or not. I don't know if I care, but that is just one thing that I noticed, was like it didn't have an eye. And a lot of people who are, you know, super into Brahmin will specifically look for bags that have a good eye placement. So this bag does not have that, but it does not make or break the bag for me. One thing that I also like, and I think the camera is not quite picking it up. Let me try to zoom in and see if I can catch it. But this bag, you see like the silver along here on the front, on the pattern that's kind of standing out, that is super iridescent in person. And I just really love that about this piece. It is just really gorgeous. And like I said, the attention to detail, it is unmatched. So let's go ahead and get into the contents. Here's an overview of how I have it packed. I have it stuffed as usual, you guys. This bag does have 2 slip pockets on the front wall and a zip pocket on the back wall. The first thing I have in here is my strawberries and snowflakes hand cream from Bath and Body Works. I'm trying to get this one used up, but I absolutely love the way it smells. I have my pink butterfly mirror from the Coach Outlet. You guys, this was a very quick and dirty bag change. I actually went to a Dodgers game last weekend, and I had packed my flower pink pieces to go in a clear stadium bag. So honestly, I dumped those pieces in here plus a few others and ran for my life. These are my icebreakers, sparkling mints in the flavor raspberry lemon seltzer. I want y'all to get a good look at this package. Raspberry lemon seltzer, emphasis on the seltzer. Y'all, these are nasty. They nasty. I don't know who told them to make them seltzer and sparkling. Nobody asked for that. It was like chewing on some antacids, not antacids, the Alka-Seltzer. It was like chewing on some Alka-Seltzer. I don't want little baby Alka-Seltzer mints. Nobody asked for this. I don't even know what to do with it. I don't know if I should throw it away or what. Just, it's nasty. Don't buy them. Next up, I have a MAC lipstick, and this is in the color Ho. This is the old lipstick, y'all. I believe I've showed this before, and as worn down as it is, you can see that I really love it. I have a pack of extra gum and pink lemonade. Now, I think I saw the fancy pink chick say that she found this gum and she had never seen it out there on the East Coast. So that really shocks me, because it's definitely been a thing for a while out here on the West Coast. So I love this gum. And then I also have my portable charger. I always have these on me, always in rotation. And then I also have my Bath and Body Works Vanilla Mint lip balm, my favorite. And if you guys are not aware, May is Mental Health Awareness Month, the entire month. And then the first day of May is Maternal Mental Health Awareness. So again, happy Mother's Day. And for all the mamas out there, make sure you are taking care of yourself, paying attention to your mental health and to your, emotional state, and just making sure that you reach out and ask for help if you need it. There is no shame and no stigma in needing help, and definitely no stigma if you actually need mental health services. We all go through struggles. So just a little reminder. And they gave me this at my job for Awareness Day. In this back slip pocket, I have a folded up paper towel, and I have a pack of tissue, which I have been using. My allergies have been horrible this week, absolutely horrible. In this other slip pocket, I have my gift cards in this little clear pink card case from Shein. Next up, this also came from Shein. This is another clear case, and in here I just have my usual pens and pencils. I have my corner zip wristlet. This is my bathroom pouch, you guys. I have my usual wipes and just flossers, things like that in here. Nothing different in here, nothing major. The same old, y'all. So I'm just not going to take the contents out, but I love this piece. I was torn between using the vivid pink and the flower pink with this purse, but like I said, I was in a hurry when I switched bags, so I just stuck with the flower pink pieces. I have 2 eyeglasses cases in here. So these are for my regular glasses, and these are for my sunnies. I have my antibacterial hand spray and champagne toast. Love this. I also used my flower pink WIMB wallet. Y'all know this is a favorite for me. I'm not going to open it up because I have all of my cards in there, but I've shared this on my channel multiple times, and it really is one of my favorite pieces. So I think the flower pink, you know, matches the lighter pink on like the outsides of this print, but like right there in the middle, I think the vivid pink would have gone really, really well with that. And then y'all, I was in a hurry, so I didn't even bother switching out of this Coach zip around wallet in like khaki, but I think even that matches really well with the bag. Like, you see that? It's a vibe, it goes, so it was working for me. Then I threw this wristlet in there as a catch-all, and now I don't even know what's in here. Oh, I have my receipts, I have some cough drops in here, and I have some Purell singles. So I didn't want stuff just floating around, and stuff still kind of ended up just floating around in there. But this wristlet is in that iris color from that floral drop from the end of last year sometime, and I thought that matched really well with it too. I have my earbuds just floating in there, and so I think at some point these earbuds are probably inside that wristlet. I have my planner, I have my mask. I'm finally almost done with these, and these are wipes from Bath and Body Works, antibacterial hand wipes. I have my iWalk charger. It was just kind of in there floating around. This is a real true what's in my bag, you guys, because I didn't have it in this pouch. I think I was using it in a hurry at the dentist office on Thursday, so that's what happened. I have a random post-it note in there, and I have a receipt from the grocery store that did not make it into my wristlet pouch. And then last but not least, I'm using this M pouch from Dress Up Your Purse as my makeup bag. I could have used the pink one, but again, y'all, this was a quick and dirty purse change. So in here, I have my usual things. I just really want to come on and show you guys what I carried with the bag, and it really was just like a mishmash of colors. You see, I have 2 different shades of purple here. I have a light khaki wallet, and I have my flower pink pieces because, y'all, I was just running for my life the morning that I switched this bag. Let me show you all. This is the inside of the bag. So again, there is the zipper pocket, and then there are 2 slip pockets on this back wall, 1 and 2, and then down there in the bottom there's 2 pencil holders or pen holders. And then the bag also has a clip for your keys. And I actually did use that this week. So here's a look at the final setup, you guys. It's kind of mismatchy, but I think it's still beautiful. I think I pulled out all of the colors that were in that beautiful print on this bag. Final thoughts on this bag. Would I buy another Brahmin? I think I would. I would definitely buy another Brahmin. I even like the carry of this large Duxbury. I love how much it holds. I think it's a great setup. The only catch, you guys, this bag is heavy. But now that I've tested it out, buying a secondhand one first, or buying one from a secondhand seller, I do think they are worth the money. So I would be willing to invest full price dollars, or at least catch a brand new one on sale from one of the department stores. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And shout out to my girl, Cheryl Shelton. I will be coming back very soon with a full review and what's in my bag on that MCM bag that I most recently purchased, the small Berlin crossbody. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a big thumbs